Hello guys, so here I want to show you guys how to fix your weaving machine needle if you got it broken, or either way if it get break. But in this video, this one is not, it's still intact, it's not broken, but I'll show you guys how to fix it and the best way you guys can do it. So I'm going to assume all your machine are intact like this. So the very first thing you're going to do is to press this one up, this side. Let me leave it. Just press this up to remove this part and lift this facing also up. So as simple. So you're going to review your needle here. I believe you guys are going to have this part of your follow comb tools. This is particularly for the needle screw actually. So here, let me zoom in closer so you guys can see. So here, okay, so here is the needle. You can see that here is the needle. So I'm going to remove it and I'm going to fix it back so you guys can see the process. So I already cut out the thread out of it. So here, this particular screw here, so what you're going, this particular bolt screw, what you're going to screw out. So just screw it and you can easily remove your needle. You can see that you can easily remove your needle. So to put it back, I want you to pay attention to this. This needle has two sides. Wait, let me create a, okay, all right. So I believe you guys can see this. This needle has two sides. This one is the one with the hole right here. You can see it has a hole, and when you turn it to the side, this side is plain. This side doesn't have a hole, it doesn't have a complete hole. You can see there's small hole here, like a line. This side doesn't have a line. Okay, you can see that. And this side has a line starting from here to the top part. You can see, let me show you clearly. From here, from this side to this side, it has a straight line. You can see that it has a straight line, and this side does not have a straight line. You can see. So this is the side that's going to be facing the machine. That's going to face you actually. This side will be facing you. This focus is crazy because I'm taking the needle. Okay, this side is going to face you like this when you're fixing it to the machine. So let me focus it back. Okay, so here, just loosen this your screw, just loosen it and put your needle inside. I believe you guys can see this. Put it inside and make sure this the line part is facing you. I'm not sure you guys can see this clearly. Oh, make sure you, okay, just like this. Let me use a picker. Just like this. Make sure the line side is facing you. You can see that this line part, make sure it's facing you. Use your picker to hold it tight and you can screw it back inside. Screw back the bolts, and as simple as that, you can easily pass your thread. And don't forget, your thread will be passing from the front side to the back. Just simple, just place it inside, you see that, and take it from behind. You see that? Do you see that? So as simple as that, you can easily make a, let me run it so you guys can see. You see that? So our weaving is working accurately back. So that is a simple way of fixing your overlock stitch needle. As simple as ABC. That's it.